Hello guys, welcome to Blackbird YouTube channel and today I will teach you 100 Linux command which is very useful and I think you should know. Okay, so let's start. So our first command is ls. Our first command is ls list directory content -l provides long format permission owner and size. Example ls -l. This is permission, root permission. This is root permission. File size, son, date, month, and file name. And we have second command is grep. Search text using pattern global regular expression print. Like I have a txt file. Okay, we will see first cat clean cat user share word list rockU .txt and I have to grab. I want to know Ankit Naam is in this file have or not, and I write Ankit. So then these files which is matched to Ankit name and belong Ankit name, these are showing. So our third command is find. Okay, we have copy it and paste here. Here are find/home in the home directory and type file size which has file size 100 MB plus. These are and chmod changes file modes width to manage read write execute permission. If I want to give permission to clean.txt, so I will give full permission 777 clean.txt. For giving permission we have to go in super god mode, means root mode. Now I can give all permission clean.txt and you can see which has permission, all permission. This color is different from others. Now this change file owner and group crucial for web server directory. Okay, we will use also this. This can change the permission, so I cannot. SSH secure shell access remote machine securely by encrypted tunnel. If you have any virtual environment to connect, you can use this to connect tar. If you have any file of which is zip extension is gz, you have to write tor hyphen hyphen zcvf web. This is file name, and here we want to unzip it. So when we will run this command, and this tar file we can see and open it. Top top dynamic real-time view or running process and system resource. Okay, we will see all of these. What kind is this? These are the operation we are running. So this is showing how many operation it operates in real time. PS display a snapshot of current process. Aux show all users. Okay. First we will px aux. We have to install it. I don't install because I don't have need to this. For your understanding, I will installing it. Aux. This is telling CPU, and if we grab Nginx, then you can see this. We have the one processor which is run on Nginx. Kill 9 hyphen 9 1 2 3 4. If any, I mean, we have this is PID. If I want to kill any PID operation ID, so I will write kill hyphen 9 and any PID and enter. We cannot do that because it will crash our Linux. df hyphen h or double hyphen total report file system disk space usage hyphen h is human readable. Okay, its output is this. These are human readables. Du estimate file space uses hyphen sh gives a summary of a folder. Okay, we will try this, and what is the result of this? We don't know. No such a file of or directory. We don't have any file of docker name. Okay, lib. There are 675 MB. Netstat print network connection, routing tables, and interface status. You can see that there are our active internet connection. This is TCP6, UDP, UDP6, and listening port is not available because I had not connected any device. IP tables. CHAN output policy accept target port out destination. Systemctl. If you want to start any server or anything, we have to run system ctl. I want to start Apache server, so I will write start Apache 2, and here this is enabled. So if I want to check status of this, so it will show you this is running. And now we want to stop it. We have to write stop. This is stopped. Nmap. You also know the Nmap full guide video. You can see the on the our channel. I had told about Nmap, how to use, how to everything. I had told you already in a- another videos. Curl. If when I want to get request, catch request from anywhere, so I will do this. Curl hyphen I https, and I am typing our website blackbird.vip. This will 200. Okay, this is http, this is date, content type, catch miss, and report to this all information, and server are Cloudflare. Okay, wget non-interactive network downloader. For wget we can download any file from anywhere. Like if you have, like, if you, this is any domain, this is example.com is any domain, and here is, this is file path of where you want to download. Then only you have to run wget-c, and it will download like this. Pattern. AWK pattern scanning and processing language for data extraction. You can see that etc password. I had typed the, he wrote the etc password first letter, all of this, like this is cat etc password. He had written the first, this, this, and this, and this. He had written this, and so go to next. LSOF, lists open files and processes that opened them. So we can check this also. What is this? I have no opening files with processing. TCP dump. Command line packet analyzer dumps traffic on the network. It will dump the traffic which traffic coming to our address. If now I go to access google.com, it will dump. I think I had not sent any request to from command line packet analyzer dump traffic on a network, not other network. Okay, cron. Daemons to execute schedule command. Cron tab. If you want to schedule any command, you can write scp secure copy files between hosts on a network. Copy the files from any other host. This is a port, this is file name, and this is user uh, at the rate, and which is the host, where do you where do you download, here written the IP, and you want to save in the tmp folder. Okay, resync, fast, versatile, remote and local file copying tool. This is a file copying tool. I had told you already that. Uptime, so how long the system has been running, and load average. Okay, we will check what is the uptime is mine. My uptime is 31 minute, and one user is okay, and free. Display the amount of free and used memory in the system. How much used and how much free memory in the system. We have one memory free and two used, and to catch total 5 memory I have. Tell, output the last part of file -f follow line updates. Okay, if we want access logs, this will tell you. Okay, this is very big, so we can take test test.txt. Okay, test.txt, this is, and head, output the first part of a file, default 10 line. Default 10 line is only in this also, last part of 10 lines written, and this write a first part of file 10 lines. If I tell the -n3, this will only write 3 lines. test.txt, it, it is, and cat. If you want to concatenate and print files to standard output, if you want to see what is in this file, you can cat etc password, or not etc password, you can cat anything, clean.txt also. This is in clean.txt. Okay, mkdir create directory -p creates parent directory. Okay, I don't want to make directory any, so you can, if you want to make directory, write only mkdir, and I want to make dk ls, and here you can see dk kd, in here is kd. I made a kd directory, and here is kd. Okay, we will delete it. Kd mb moves or rename files and directories. Okay, I will see you. I have I want to first move the file. First I want to see which is not important. Okay, this is not important, so I want to first renaming the temp.txt to, and I want to rename with new name skir.txt, and you can see skir.txt pam, and we don't have now, which is old. And if I want to skir.txt move, I will return is mb skir.txt, and where I want to move means web. If you want to move any other folder, you can write any folder in, and if you press the button enter, it will move to this folder cp. It will copy files folders. -r is required for directories. If you want to move direct copy files or folder, if you copy the files, don't require the -r, and if you copy the folder, you have to require -r. This is here, this is I want to copy, and here I want to paste it. rm-rf removes files are removing files. -rf is dangerous but delete recursively forcefully. rm-rf delete this. If you want to practical, I will show you skir.txt rm-rf skir.txt, and boom, it's vanished. It has not trash bin, so you should choose the which file I have to delete and which is not. id, if I type id, this will show the id root, gid 0 root, group 0, because I am root. Who, this will show you analyst, my username, and date, this is time. Okay, and next to move last -n5. If I want to show a listing of last logged in users, okay, I have to install all this also. Now we last login is 3 to 33 p.m. Okay, and here are 5 logins of last login. uname -a print system information -a show kernel and arc. uname -a Linux localhost kernel smp kali, and this is Linux. Okay, hostname.ctl. Query and change the system hostname and setting. We can only see the hostname status. This is static hostname, local host, computer laptop, classic. This is machine ID. This is boot ID. This is product ID. This and kernel is this. Architecture is this. Vendor HP and hardware model 247G at notebook PC and firmware age 2 year 9 month 6 day. You can you can see all information about your laptop by this command. Dig, sort. If you want to DNS lookup utility for it will use an DNS lookup utility for interrogating name server like this is Google, this is its this is domain and Google's IP address is this and I am using mine also blackbird.vip. This is my IPs. Okay. Ping, send ICMP echo request to network host. It will check the host is alive or not. Okay. And blackbird.vip invalid ping. This is this. If we are getting this everything, we are getting new requests 64 byte from ICMP request, then the system is alive. If not coming is this, then system is not alive. Trace route, print the root packet trace to a network host. Okay, we will use this also and we can see this. This is his Google trace route. Route packets trace to network host. IP address. You can see IP address with two commands. First with this is showing the MAC address of Ethernet cable. Mount a file system. Fdisk, manipulate disk partition table. Okay, we will show you already. This is I had told you already this. And LSBLK, list information about all available block device. This is and here are history-tell history-tell our five last five commands I type. These are, if you want to full history then type only history and this is history you had command. Okay, create a shortcut for long commands. You can make a command with for create a shortcut for long commands. You can if here we have to you have to in bracket here you have to write a command and when you want to which key you want to press then export sets a environment variable to the available to subprocess. env display current environment variable. Okay, this is our user root sudo user analyst source bash rc. You can compare file lines by line, locate, find file by name quickly using a pre-built database. You can find any file by write this. These are files I had write and wget which python 3. So full path of shell command. You can see that user win python 3. This is full path. Password sudo password ubuntu. If you want to update a user's authentication token or password, you have to run sudo password and your username, which is mine is analyst. If you want to update my password, so I will write in place of even ubuntu, and then he ask the new password and retype new password. This will set bi bim etc host test editor. This is a test editor, and we can also write with this like vim b.txt and press hyphen I to write anything. Okay, this is, and for saving we have to press esc and control colon and wq to save. Okay, nano, a simple friendly terminal test editor. This is work also same like as a beam screen manager that multiplex a physical terminal screen hyphen s. Okay, see that what is this. Okay, TMUX, a modern terminal multiplexer superior to screen watch. Run a command repeatedly showing output change. NC for listening. Netcat read and write data across network connection. You have to make connection NC-ZB 127. This is the IP address and port is 22. Service MySQL status. If you want to see the which service is running and which service is not running, you have to write service and MySQL and status. Reboot sudo reboot. If you run this, laptop will reboot automatically. Shutdown sudo shutdown hyphen h plus 10 power off the reboot the system. DME SG, examine or control the kernel ring buffer. LSUSV, list USB device. I had not a USB device, so this is not, I can show you. User add, create a new user account. If you want to create new user, you have to write sudo user add hyphen m, and this is username, and enter. Your user is created. User mode, modify a user account. Sudo user mode hyphen ag docker and user. User added to docker group. Group added creates a new group. Sudo group added developers group. This will create a group. Chroot, run a command with different root directory. Sudo chroot /mnt /sysimage root shell in here in this path. apt advanced package tool for Debian based system. Sudo apt install or sudo apt upgrade. We have to install everything before we have to write apt everywhere. Wget, I had told you already that wget install download this, and this will -o for saving a file in this file. Stats, display file or file system status detail. Okay, you can see this is mount -a, mount all file system listed in etc fs tab. Unmount a previously mounted file system. dd, convert a copy a file bit by bit copy. This is a command of this. mks fsck. I am telling you only which is most useful for your career and what use in your real life. I am skipping which is not used in most of the time. So this is jobs, list active jobs, background process in shell jobs. You can see we have not any shell, so we had not running any script, so this is not showing any shell. If you have any zip file, if you have any zip file like site.zip and you want to read it, so you have to write zip -r zip file name and where you want to unzip, where you want to remake it. In this folder, yeah, here this will stored without unzip, without zip. This will plan test tar, extract a tar wall. If you have any tar file and you want to read it, you have to first write -tar -xvf and tar file name. It will extract and give like this. wc word line and byte count. Okay, wc log.txt. This will show you in practical. wc -l chat.html. This have 3839 words, and translate or delete character. Echo, we have to echo to Linux, and tr a to z. Cut, short, short line of text line. If you have any number of double time or duplicate, then it will short command used in where it will remove the duplicate or double numbers. This is your file, and this -n and short. Unique, filter out repeated lines in a file. LST, if you type the date like this, you can see this like this. Okay, if you type only date, you get current time and date. If you type cal, this will give you calendar. I will show you. This is calendar, and exit causes the cell to exit. Exit means if you want to log out. I am now in root folder. You can see that if I write exit, this will turns into normal user. This is, you can see that. And clear, if you want to clear your full terminal, you have to type only clear, and this is clear. And man ls, if you want to know about any command in more detail, you have to run man ls, and you can see all commands uses and everything, how to use, which is everything, and press q to close. if i want to learn about nmap, so then I will type man nmap, and this will give you in most detailing way how to use, how to know use, and everything it will give. And press q to close. So let's meet with new video in next